Hi everyone, welcome back to Nitty's Down Under. Oh, to show you something beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? Right, that's 3. I love the colours on them. Right, no fighting, beautiful. Okay, now when I first got them home, these lot wasn't able to fly because they were in a very, very skinny cage. That's another one. I wait till he pops his head up. This one's beautiful too. So there's that one. Hey, no fighting. Then so we'll go over to this one. That one's new. These lot are brand new into the cage. They're gorgeous, aren't they? So there's actually 6 of them. 3 boys, 3 girls. Oh, and look at my other babies. Aren't they doing really well? They're doing really well. Hello, Sam. Don't pop on Mummy's hand. No, come on. Come on, Sam. I'll just keep you going. And watch this for Sam. Sam, on. Come on, good girl, Sam. Isn't it beautiful to see? Yeah, she's only semi-tamed. The rest of the cockatiels are not fully tamed or semi-tamed. They're still frightened. You're going to come up and say hello more closer, are you, Sam? Oh, that's right. Give her a real look. Oh, Sam, you're a cheeky girl, aren't you? You're going to give everybody a good look? Go, hello, everyone. Hello. And say hello to everyone. She's a cheeky one, this one. She loves the camera. Oh, gosh. Isn't this so funny? What are you doing, Sam? There we go. You're a cheeky bugger, Sam. You're cheeky, aren't you? You make sure everybody can see you, aren't you, darling? Hey, you making sure? And then you're going to pop all over, okay? Nah. All right. So what I have to do, sometimes this week I have to clean the cages out because they need it. Don't they, Sam? Yeah? Yes, I know, darling. She loves her cuddles. But they're beautiful, aren't they? My little Shakey's doing so well. See that grey one right next to him? He actually looks after him. He feeds it and everything. Look at this there. You going to say hello, love? You going to say hello? Oh, you're a good girl. She's a beautiful girl. You know, if I breed her a green and same colour as her, I'll get a yellow and I will get a pure green out of it. If I did the same colour. Alright. I'll be back soon, everyone. Okay. Now I'm in the other bird cage. Let's see how they're all going. So this will be needing topping up today with more seed. And then I don't have to feed them for about a week because that one lasts us a long time. They love these things. So they love their bells. Yeah, they actually like to turn themselves upside down for it. Now let me hook it back up, please. All right, I'll just give you a nice, beautiful close-up of these for a change. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, yes, I know. You're gorgeous, aren't you? Oh, hello, beautiful. He's up on his wing. There's the other ones there. Oh, look at this lot. Some of these are quite old. This lot, this one here, and the other. I'll show you the other. Where did he go? There's another blue one. It's racing around somewhere. He's quite old too. I've had some of these that just been on like 3 years. Especially this old girl. See how her feather's looking? There's some eggs laying around in one of these boxes somewhere. He's beautiful. This little boy here is coming on to 3. They're very well looked after. These boxes was all homemade. Oh yes, I know. You're beautiful, aren't we? I love this little guy up here. He's gorgeous. These ones are beautiful. Anyway, I've got a busy time ahead of me this morning. Haven't I, beautiful? Yes. Oh, look at these two. Look at these ones. Aren't they gorgeous? See, the one is just on the end here. This one here. She's a quite of an old girl, and she's doing really well. Anyway, that's it for now. You know how much I love my animals. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And we're going through molting season. I'll show you what I mean by molting season. Right, let's see if we can find mole feathers. Look at these. See, it's called molting season. They're dropping all their winter feathers for their summer ones. Alright everyone, if you enjoy this, please like, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Alright, thank you.